What's up, little boy? It's 4:40. It is Friday. About to make some coffee. About to head to the gym. Oh. When I wake up, I usually drink 1 cup of water or 2 cups just to flush out the system or put some water in my body. So I'm going to be drinking this today for my pre-workout. You can get this at Long's or CVS for like $2.50. And there's like 16 packets in here. This should get your day kick started. Comes in these little packets. Yeah, we're gonna do some cardio today. Possibly some back. We'll see. We got a chicken chubby. I usually give him a few treats in the morning to keep him busy. But he's smart. He already knows the system on this thing. But he gives me time to get ready and get out, and occupy his mind for a few seconds. And it just hit 5 a.m. I think it's almost gonna be packed when we get to the gym. So. I'm like half asleep right now. Got my coffee. It's Friday. About to head out again. I try not to think about it and just go instead of like debating and thinking about all the other shit I got going on. Getting up early is one of those habits that these successful guys always preach. You get a head start during the day. You get the head start of the day, and while others are sleeping, you're getting things done. And usually when you wake up early in the morning, or when you're up in the morning, that's when it matters the most. So when it's around like 8 or 9, you're already finishing up your day. There's some parking at the end. Yesterday I got here like around 5:40, 5:50, and it was jam-packed. So damn, so everybody decided I'm gonna be fit today. I'm gonna head to the gym. It's pretty early too. Usually around 5:30 or 5:50. It's like 5:16 right now. That's when everybody. Okay. Yeah, okay, we're safe. Coming out.
is Cook Street or Richards? No, Cook Street, I think. Burn fat, not oil. Meaning, ride a bike, don't drive a car. Just got done with my workout. We did some cardio, 20 minutes cardio, some back exercise. Fun fact about this place, this is where I started my professional video journey. Fortunately, they closed down because it probably wasn't making any money. But see up there, there's a co-working space. This place would be a good studio. This is Kaka'ako side, close to downtown. Gonna go ahead and vacuum before I even take a shower. Yeah, we just got home, so okay, so next I'm gonna be making my drink, which is basically, it's kind of like a cleanser. Early in the morning, this thing is like, to be honest, this is the best laxative, or it's the best thing that will make you go to the bathroom. You really want to drink this before you even drink coffee, the first thing in the morning, after you drink your water, your 2 cups of water. I have this little juicer thing, manual juicer, so all you need is a half a lemon and just squeeze the juice out. You don't gotta get everything, but enough where it looks like it's mangled in the inside. Right there. I honestly like the pulp of the lemon, so what I do is I pour water in the top so the pulp goes down with the juice, and of course you want to fish out the seeds after, but this thing has a like a catcher, but some of the seeds are still there. Okay, we're gonna pour it in. Like I said, you can wash down the pulp with some water, and then it'll show you guys what I mean. Right there. Now the pulp is in the bottom. And again, drain it inside. Again, this is a great laxative. Like, this thing will cleanse the inside of your body. And you throw some water in there. And you also throw some Himalayan salt. I don't really put too much because I don't want my blood pressure to go up. But I just use like this, well, a little bit more than this, but right there. But I use this mostly for cleansing and just helping me go to the bathroom in the morning. Like, this thing works in like a few minutes, depending on the people, but this thing works for me in a few minutes. Make sure the Himalayan salt is actually dissolved, and just spin it like this. To be honest, I'm about to shit pretty soon. because I went to the gym and my body's moving out. And drink it.